Hidden danger. When the pin nipple is installed at the top of the BOP, unused thread holes are not blinded. What is the hazard? There are bolt holes at the top of the BOP. When the pin nipple is installed, the unused holes are not blinded. If the drain water and drilling fluid leak from the direct floor and go into the threaded holes, it will erode and damage the threads in the holes. There is no way to connect a rotary BOP at the top of the BOP. Some drilling crew use grease to seal the holes, but upper drain water and drilling fluids will still flow into the threaded holes, eroding and damaging inside the threads. What is the remedy? For the pin nipple installed at the top of either an annular or ram BOP, 4 bolts are needed to meet installation requirements. Others should be sealed with bolts or special rubber plugs, Fig 1123 and Fig 1124. It is simple and convenient to seal the holes with rubber plugs instead of bolts. Thanks.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.